Oh hey there. Welcome back. This is episode 4. Luna, can I take Hawkface for a tour around the forest village?
Well, I don't see a harm in that, so okay.
Thanks. Hey Hawkface, come with me. I will show you around the forest village.
Okay.
This is the place where we ship goods to other cities. It is called as the Roland Port.
Oh, this is a really nice place.
Come on. We don't have time. Let me show you the most famous statue of this place.
Oh, yes. What fun.
This is the statue of the founder of this city, Richard Siner.
Oh, wow. It is amazing.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Hawkface, now you are part of our team. You should wear our disguise or dress.
Okay. I have no problem with that.
Come on. Let's get you dressed up.
Yay. Let's go. Is this a good outfit?
No. What kind of dress is that? Thought's a lady's dress.
Oh, okay.
How about this dress? What is that? You look like a scary clown. Fine. I will try on another one.
How about this one?
Wow, that's awesome. Perfect.
Thanks. Watch me do this. Woohoo. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ha 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 ha. Really funny. Now come on. Let's show Luna and Brock your new outfit.
Hey Luna. Look at my new outfit.
Wow. Thought so cool. You even have a foam helmet.
Yup. Thoughts to protect my head while fighting.
Great job.
Hey Brock. Look at my new outfit. Isn't it awesome? Wow. It is awesome. I really like the foam helmet. Thanks. Hey Hawkface, can you hear that sound? Oh yeah. I can hear a siren. Oh no. The city is in trouble. Hawkface, move.
No. What happened? I am not getting signal.
Hey Sigret. Something is wrong. The alarm just went on.
I know that. I was just going to tell you.
Wait a second, where's Luna?
Luna is there in the control room checking for any signal.
Let me go check what is going on outside.
Don't worry, I will take care of Hawkface.
Okay.
Hey Brock. It's Hex. Hex Jordan. He is trying to destroy our village.
Oh man. I thought so.
Ha 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 ha. I knew that this plan would work. Raphael, tell our guards to destroy the famous statue.
No problem. Where do you think you are going? Who in the world are you? I am Hawkface. Now, you are dead. Oh yeah, bring it on. How dare you do that?
That's it. Feel the wrath of my power.
Stop that. Take this.
Well, what happened? I am still alive.
Shut up.
That's it. I am using my special power.
What did you do? I feel tired. I feel like I am about to die.
Ha 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 ha. Now that's exactly what I wanted.
Thank you so much for saving my life.
No problem. Now come on, the Guardians must be looking for us. Call all of our guards and tell them to come back.
Got it.
Oh no. Hawkface is unconscious.
That idiot Hex killed Hawkface. I will not spare him.
Quick, take him to the hospital. We don't have much time.
Okay.
Hey Martin, I have good news. Hawkface has recovered. He is alive.
Yes. Thanks, Damien.
No problem.
Hey there, hope you enjoyed the episode and I will see you next time.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Totally Satvik. Oh, and also let me know in the comments about my outfit. Isn't it just awesome?